Hello there, I'm Geraldine Herbert. In this video, I'll show you what you can do yourself to help keep your car running safely in between services. Some parts of your car have a limited lifespan, so it's important to follow the advice of your manufacturer or your mechanic about service intervals and part replacement. For example, manufacturers recommend certain replacement times and distances for engine timing belts or chains. Failure to replace a timing belt as per these guidelines can result in severe engine damage. The engine oil and filters should be changed in line with the manufacturer's recommendations, or at least once a year, or after every 15,000 kilometres. There are many parts options out there, so make sure that the oil and filters used are suitable for your vehicle. Your battery can last roughly 4 to 6 years. However, extremes of hot and cold temperature can shorten its life. The lifespan of your vehicle's brake fluid is limited by time and use. Brake fluid should be inspected at least once a year and replaced at least once every 2 years. Remember, most of these checks can only be carried out by a qualified mechanic, so these are just general guidelines to help you be aware of when certain parts need replacing, and every vehicle is different, so please check with your manufacturer for distance and times specific to your car and its parts.